subscribe. You'll love it.
Okay, we're gonna run some electrical. We're gonna do some conduit out of this exterior panel. We're gonna run it this way, all the way down the wall and into the garage for a electric car charger. We're gonna drill right through here, and it's gonna come out on this side above the door, down the wall, along the ceiling, down this column, and stick it right there. Okay, we're at the panel. Let's see now where we're gonna come in at and the condition of it. What's in the way? All the wires are at the bottom. They're blocking most of the knockouts. That leaves us with one choice. And we got to get around there. See, all this is blocked off. Crap. Well, you know what they say. If it were easy, anybody could do it. But of course, the knockout is too small, so now we have to make it bigger. Be careful not to nick the wires. Moron. Okay, let's get serious. Let's make the hole wider. Let's use a cone-pointed burr bit. And be very careful not to touch the wires. You see how close that is? Whew. Man, this guy's like a dentist. Look at that. Let's try and see if it fits. Okay, we need a little bit more off. Let's try it. Maybe it'll fit now. Nope, not yet. But it's good to take your time. Take a little bit more off, and to get it smoother, we'll use a stone grinding bit. Ta-da! Perfect! Hey, make sure you vacuum out all those shavings of metal in the panel. They'll rust. I didn't have any flexible conduit, the watertight stuff. So I used a heat gun and formed one. Molded it like a freaking sculptor. In this case, it was faster than going to the supply house. Look at that. That's beautiful. You've done this before. Now let's mark the line for the conduit going up and down the wall. I put the line in the center of the conduit so it hides it when it gets installed. We'll position the horizontal conduit to line up to measure for the vertical one. Here's where we're going to drill into the garage. And since this is cement board siding, we're going to use a masonry bit, 1/4 inch wide. And we're just going through the siding, not the drywall on the other side yet. Now using a 16-inch long 1/4 inch drill bit, drill through the drywall and see our entry point on the other side. Now I'm going to use a grinder and a 1.5-inch diamond core bit. Since it's cement board, should be wearing a mask and gloves. Whoa! Look at that dust! Hey, did anybody tell you look like an alien? No, that's right. He can't hear me. You should have worn a mask.
I was holding my breath.
Too bad you weren't drilling for 6 minutes. Now this guy's okay. I'm only kidding. Now he's going to check for how it fits in the hole and also a reference to measure for the length of the rest of the conduit. After a major rain delay, we couldn't film anymore, so here's the finished product. Look at that. Everything nice and tight. Plumb. Every strap is screwed, 2 screws into the ceiling joists, screwed into the top plates, 2 of them. Nice and clean. Nice transition with the 90, the elbow. Look at that. Wow, he is pretty good. Maybe he's not a moron. Nice and sealed, perfect. Look how straight that is. Ha! We were on camera the whole time. Oh, there's the rain. Oh, that's nice. Very good job. And yes, we glued all the joints with the proper conduit adhesive to make it waterproof. Hey, and don't forget to subscribe. Give us a like and share it. Maybe even comment.